Ayan.
Hi.
Wala pang Wala pang tao.
Sino? First viewer.
Come on.
First viewer, come on. Yeah! Viewer na tayo.
First viewer, you just want.
Hi, Lori. Oy, Lori!
Lori Dakanay Salinas?
Lori.
Yes. Hi, twin. Si Ting Langres Garciso.
Hi, Ting.
Hi.
May dalawa na sila. Ay,
Ayan.
24!
We have 24 people, guys.
24K.
Hi, Bessie, Jada, and Dylan. Hello, Ella.
Hi, Ella.
Falconet Del Rosario.
Ayun na!
Ayan na, TV5.
Mga kapatid, bagong cast ang makikiconnect today. Ready na ba kayo?
Woo! Oh, unang-una
Shout out kay Sherwin. Sherwin Marco.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello, Sherwin.
Ayan.
Yan.
I think, we have 133 people
We
watching
have
right now.
133K viewers.
And
Yes.
0 stars, though.
Stars naman dyan, oh. Stars,
Ayan.
oh. Kahit, 1 star lang, oh.
Bumati na ba tayo?
Per-rate naman kami, 5 stars, oh.
5 stars sa Vivo One and Signal Play app. Eh,
Basti Estrada,
Iba naman.
Rowena Ibanez. Dito na si Ellie.
hello.
Hi, Ellie.
Work hard, kung excited kayo sa bagong connect session today.
Hi, Jada. Anong favorite song Mommy and Daddy mo 25 years ago? Oh,
Favorite song of ng parents ko?
Favorite song mo siguro sa ng parents mo?
Of
Tama ba?
na duet
Ano ba?
nila?
I guess.
I guess basta't kasama kita na duet version. It's classic.
Classic.
Yun.
Uy, Jada Nation
Jada
is
Nation!
here! The
Hello,
Jada
Jada
Nation is
Nation.
here. May tanong ba kayo sa mga
Ayan, may nagsabi, Miss Mayam and Bossing.
Miss May? Oy, si Ma'am!
Shell! Hi, Ninang Shell. Ninang Shell! Uy, dapat ata
Hi,
bumati muna
Lindsay.
tayo.
Babati na ba?
Yeah, bati.
Oo nga, 200 na tayo.
Game na, no?
Game na.
Well, hello mga kapatid.
Hi mga kapatid.
What's up, you guys? It's me, Jada, and I play Lorelai Rios on Project Loki.
My name is Marco Gallo, and we're here sa Connect, taking over Kapatid Connect
Yes.
to promote, of course, Project Loki.
And who do you play on Project Loki?
Luther Mendez.
Hey.
Hey.
Make it so expensive with Marco Gallo.
We also have
Marco Gallo.
Marco Gallo.
What's up mga kapatid Connect? This is Dylan Menor and I'll be playing
And you
Loki.
are.
And I am
Loki.
Loki Mendez.
Hey.
And guys, I have a question. What is Project Loki all about?
Jada,
Project Loki.
come on.
Pinasa na agad sa akin. Ako talaga ang spokesperson ng Project
Ikaw,
Loki.
galing sumagot eh.
Wow, thank you so much. Project Loki is a mystery crime thriller detective series
Detective series.
based on the hit Wattpad novel by the one and only ako
Jose
si Ibarra.
Ibarra.
Shout out to you, Rain, if you're watching. Sana nandito ka.
Hi,
But yes,
Rain.
it's about Lorelai Rios, who is a transferee at Clark University. And she goes there to escape her troubled past. Pero she has no idea what she has in store for her when she meets Loki Mendez. And she joins the QED club. And of course, along the way, she meets Luther Mendez, Loki's brother.
Lapit daw ang face ni Marco kasi kailangan
Need to
makita ang
see yung
kagwapuhan.
Oh, yan. Pakita mo, Marco.
Amen.
Give
Lapit
the
ka pa,
people what
lapit
they
ka pa.
want.
Lapit pa, more pa.
Sige, lapit ka pa.
Yes!
Wait lang. Ako
The
na
kagwapuhan
mag-adjust.
is needed.
Yun!
Dylan, should I just sit on your lap?
The brotherly love.
Yeah, I know.
Bro.
Okay.
Tanong, what is your current LSS?
Current LSS
What is
song?
my current
Oh my
LSS?
gosh.
Wait, let me check.
Tough.
Is there a way to see that? Or you just put like...
What?
Is there a way to see that on Spotify?
On Spotify?
Like LSM? Wala.
Hindi naman, parang, what am I listening
What's
to
yours?
right now?
Ako?
Yes,
Oh my gosh. I think, yung pinaka-last na naalala ko is yung Palayo sa Mundo.
Eh, yung pa din.
Yung pa din. Pero yun yung pinalast. Pero ngayon parang inisip ko, ano nga ba yung napakinggan ko recently?
Ako tinitingnan ko ngayon eh.
Oh my God.
Ikaw ba, Marco?
What's yours?
Purple Rain.
Solid. Dahil pa sa Stranger Things.
Not really. I saw it on TikTok and I just kept on replaying it.
Purple Rain?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, cause naging viral siya ulit sa TikTok
Dahil
because
sa-
of Stranger Things.
Talaga?
Hashtag Mike in 11. If you know, you know. So yun.
Ikaw, what's yours?
Ako siguro, what is mine? What is mine right now?
What's the last song you
The
know?
last song.
last song.
The multo strip version from The Loved
Oh,
One.
yeah. May
think
strip
it's
version na
There's a
sila.
strip
May strip
version. May
version
strip
na.
version. I've been listening
Grabe,
to that.
iba yung feels
Emote na
niya.
emote ako.
Iba yung feels niya.
It's probably that. Yes, we have yearners here. Are you a yearner?
Sakto lang.
Wow, nonchalant. Yearner ka na.
Oh? Yeah, officially.
High five,
Officially.
Yearners kaming dalawa. Nice.
Okay, so mga kapatid connect, we will introduce to you to our Meow Pouch. So, dito sa Meow Pouch, meron tayong mga questions na bubunutin.
Yes. At least
Random
something.
questions to, no?
Yes.
Okay, who goes? Jada goes first.
Okay.
Ladies first.
Right. Jada. Uy, sakto. It is for
Uy,
me.
kaya.
Lorelai Rios, what's her edge? Intuition, people reading, courage, rule breaking, alin siya? I think,
Hi, Jamaica.
what is her edge? Pwede bang all of the above? Wow. I would say probably intuition tsaka yung courage niya. Para sa akin. I think Lorelai is very observant. Observant siyang tawag. I think being more of an introverted type of person, it makes her more aware sa mga surroundings niya. And I also really admire her courage. I think makikita niyo yun dito sa series, sa live adaptation, kung gaano siya ka-courageous. Kasi ang daming pagdadaanan ni Lori. Yan lang ang masasabi ko without spoiling too much sa mga
Yes.
non-readers dyan at first-time viewers.
Yes.
Ano talaga? Ang dami niyang pagdadaanan. And her will to live is inspiring.
Kaya manood na kayo ng episode 1.
Yes.
It's released today.
In case you guys missed it, yung aming pilot episode ng Project Loki is out now on Vivo One and Signal Play. So yes,
Yeah.
please stream legally, guys.
Okay. Yeah, pouch goes to Marco.
Sige.
May nagsabi.
Hi, Dilloves.
Okay, Jada din to.
Oh, that's a pilot episode.
Yeah, sige. You wanna...
Wait, di dapat ano,
Dapat
wait lang.
pangalawa.
Ito, Marco, I found one for you.
Wow.
Ako, hanapin ko na yung sa akin.
For Marco,
May
May-
sige, go.
may mga eksena bang you question Luther's intention and nahirapan ka mentally to play the part? I feel like, yeah. Especially sa mga unang taping days. Kasi hindi mo pa masyadong gamay eh. Kahit
True.
ang dami mong
That's true.
ilang beses sinarag yung part at saka yung script, parang syempre you're just jumping into the unknown. You're creating the character along the way. So of course, nahirapan din naman ako. But hopefully, with more taping days, I get the hang of it.
I get the vibe. I mean, ako speaking
Yeah.
from experience na bilang nakaka-eksena kita. Tsaka we have this really special scene like sa cafeteria. And I think it's one of the markado siyang
wala ka
moment.
dun.
Wala ka dun eh.
Pero
Moment
nakita ko
ni
yun,
Lori
nakita ko
and
yun.
Luther yun. Na excited ako
Nakita
makita
ko
niya
yun.
yan. May nagtanong,
Oh my
nakita
gosh.
ko lang sa live, masakit ba manampal si Lori?
No comment.
Yeah, sinampal ko siya.
Ako nga pala nung
Sa roof ka, oy!
So yeah, para sa ano, the people are asking, masakit ba?
Sakto lang. Sakto lang.
Talaga ba?
Sakto lang. Okay naman. I mean, kasi feel ko kasi parang I was in the moment then. So parang, and I was ready to receive the slap. So parang I was expecting the pain already. So it wasn't really that.
Hindi naman siya
Pero
masakit.
lakas ah. Lakas mo. Kasi sobrang, I mean, nung time kasi na yun, you were in your momentum na, I mean, gigil ka na nun, di ba? So, yung
Gigil
slap
na gigil
mo,
ako.
gigil talaga.
One take wonder. One take wonder.
Isang sampal lang yun, no?
Oh, kala ko Oo, isa lang yun.
Siya naman.
Yeah.
So, one
May
hour siya.
nabasa ako na get well soon, Jada. Thanks, guys. Alright,
Okay, sige.
next. Ikaw naman, Dylan.
Okay. Kunwari pumipili ako, pero meron ako sa kamay ko. Dylan, give us one low-key coded move, habit, or method
Ooh.
na makikita agad in early apps. Ooh.
That's a good question.
Habits? Ano habits na low-key? Siguro yung pag ganun niya. Like, every time he
This?
speaks, he is always...
Ganyan.
Parang he has a blank stare lang. Tapos, nakaganon siya.
Sako.
Nakaganon siya. Ganyan siya. Kaya
Give the Loki stare into the camera. Yun oh.
Ganun, mga ganun. Panoorin nyo ng pilot episode. Okay, next. Go, Pouch.
Okay, next. Ano to? No, this
Thank
is a
you,
Dylan
Jaya.
question. This is Jada.
Uy,
Okay.
homies.
Okay, may nagsabi. Ano?
4 times ko na pinanood, oh.
Oh my
Grabe ka,
gosh! Hello,
Giants.
Giants.
That's
Thank
crazy.
you so much.
Thank you so
Keep
much.
streaming, guys, and share with your friends.
Congrats to all the cast. Ang intense na first episode. Thank you.
Thanks so
Thank you,
much,
ma'am.
Shem. Ano exactly ang QED Club vibe? Official org, elite circle, or secret-ish group? How do cases enter your world? Well, cases enter our world through clients, actually. Diba? Kasi we refer to them as clients. So, sila yung
Clients.
lumalapit sa amin. Hindi kami naghahanap ng cases. So, in short, hinahabol kami ng kamalasan.
Ang dami lumalapit sa
Excuse me.
QD Club.
Yeah. What is the vibe? I could say it's an official vibe, yes. An official org siya. Official club naman siya. It's just that kulang nga lang sa members pero binibigyan ng exception ni Luther, who's the vice president of the student council.
Anything for my little bro.
Wow. The Mendez Brotherhood, yes. Tas
May
nandito
question,
sige.
question dito. Sabi niya, mahilig din ba kayo manood ng mga horror mystery series and what's your favorite daw?
Ikaw, Marco.
I don't know if you guys know this, but have you guys seen the Conjuring saga?
I've seen the first one.
If you watch the whole saga, then you'll watch like there's like the Annabelle comes home.
Yes, I know
And
Annabelle.
yung tapos ang daming jump scares.
Mahilig ka ba sa horror?
Used to be, I feel like.
Si Dylan,
I
takot siya eh.
hate horror movies, bro. I don't like
Yeah?
watching. I only watch it with friends.
Ay, wag with friends
With
ako.
friends.
With friends. Pero
You're
ayoko
like if
mag-isa.
you do it alone.
Dude,
Yeah.
di ko
Like,
kaya.
May mga kakilala ako na nanonood sila mag-isa.
Oh my God, si Kuya Rain is here!
Oh my gosh, it's Rain! Hi!
Rain.
Hello, Jada, Dylan, and Marco. Congratulations sa
Thank
pilot
you.
episode. Thank you so much, Rain.
Thank
and
you so much. Congrats
to
to
you,
you.
too! Grabe, this is
Deserve.
This is for everybody's information. Ako si Ibarra is the author of Project Loki, or the book that Project Loki the series is based on.
Yep.
And grabe, this is his brainchild, lahat ng mga characters. And we wouldn't be here today if it weren't for you, Rain. So shout out to you.
Big shout out.
May nagtanong.
Dapat kasama din si Rain dito sa Kapatid Connect.
Oo nga eh. Wait, last question bago. Sino pinaka-detective sa inyo in real life?
I think
Stalker online.
Ay, stalker.
Sige, ako na.
I think Jada kasi she's very observant. I mean, yung qualities ng detective she has, I guess.
Tsaka, yeah, I guess so.
I guess.
Ako,
I mean,
think,
in a way, pero
I would say women are like, we're part of the FBI. We know what's up.
yeah,
We know our
yeah,
research.
that makes sense.
Anyway, next, may palaro tayo, guys. Green flag or red flag. So, bale, meron akong mga babasahin dito.
What is your favorite scene?
Sa cards, or dito sa card na to, and we rate it if it's a green flag or a red flag.
Okay.
Hold on, let me move this. So, may mga flag
Green
tayo
flag
dito.
or red flag? Ah, ito pala yung papers.
Yan. So, itataas nyo lang if you think it's a green flag or red flag. Kayo din, makilaro kayo, guys. So, yun, ako magbabasa. Alright. Green flag or red flag uses flowery words.
Is what?
Mabulaklak na salita. So, parang, alam mo yun, someone who has a way with words.
It depends on the intention.
Context.
Flowery words.
Flowery.
Ito na lang ako.
Ako, red flag.
Parang
Red flag na lang
Gusto
ako.
ko totoo eh. Gusto ko true. Ay, gusto ko.
Yeah. If it's too much, yeah. I think we can all agree. Red flag. Okay, next.
What if
Hindi.
he's just kind of?
Ayun nga eh, di ba?
There's
Pag
always a
mabait
red-
lang, sige.
It's like-
May exception.
It's kind of green flag.
Can't agree ba?
Depende sa context.
Depende sa context.
Depende sa context. Hindi umiimik kapag may galit. So, parang ano, hindi nagpapansinan.
Hindi umi... Oh,
Parang ganun. Eh di, red flag na
ayaw
agad.
ko sa buwidan. No? Hirap mo kasama.
That's
Ako,
true.
green.
Green flag yun?
Hindi. Red flag siya.
Okay. Akala ko
Pero
green flag.
ganun ako. So.
Okay, next. Nonchalant lang. Eh di si Loki.
Loki!
Wala bang beige flag dyan?
I mean, both.
It's
Both
Somewhere in the
both
middle.
siya
Parang
both
some
siya.
people are just like
It's
that.
not bad.
It's not
And
bad.
hindi siya masama. Pero, green ba siya?
Diba?
Sucks lang.
Saks lang. Parang,
Kaya
parang
may, di ba
ganun
may
siya.
beige flag na
Parang ganun.
tinatawag?
Ganyan siya. Pwede naman siguro to, no?
Sige.
Yeah.
Somewhere in the middle. May nagsasabi green flag. Okay.
Green flag daw.
May nagsabi Dylan Lorether kami. May mga shoutouts sa mga Lorether. For Jada, ano ba? Kasakit mang trash talk si Loki. Masakit!
Sorry.
Nakakagigil. Anyway, next. Loki sa social media, hindi nagpo-post.
Huh?
Low-key lang sa social media, pero hindi nagpo-post.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. It means you have a life outside.
That's true.
I think so. Yeah, I think it's healthy. Lalo na for me, like, if a guy isn't too absorbed with social media, I think that's good.
Ano ang beige flag? Siguro if it's somewhere in between.
Yeah, somewhere in between. It doesn't mean you don't use it at all. But yeah. Next, flirting with vague intentions. Hyper red flag.
Red flag.
That's
bro.
a red flag.
Marco, parang
Ang tagal mo sumagot.
I mean,
You gotta add a little bit of spice in your life, you know? It's like
Vague intentions.
vague intention.
Vague intentions,
It's
ha?
like you're not. Okay.
Okay,
Listen
sige.
to this.
Okay.
Let's let
This
him
is
explain.
my, this is
Wait,
my
pasok
explanation.
ka.
Lick it.
Wait,
I mean,
can
look,
you, like,
when you were in class
okay.
back in the day, right? And you would have a crush. Of course, you wouldn't prioritize that because you have studies to do and you're busy with school. But come on, who didn't like having a crush and having like a little bit of flirt?
Pero
during
vague.
school? It's not. I mean, it's vague because you're not meaning to like push through with it, but it's like, hey, how was your morning? Like,
Wow.
you know,
So,
like,
ganyan
Si Marco. Ganyan si Marco.
I mean, okay, red flag ako puto. Red flag ako puto.
Red flag si Marco.
Sige, red flag ako. Sige na.
Post the joke lang.
If I met you in high school, I probably wouldn't go with you. I went to an all-girls school, so there was no flirting for me in high school.
Alright.
Okay.
So, yun.
Sige, pwede. Valid.
For the
Oh,
fun of
valid.
it, you know, it doesn't have to be
Sige,
like,
ikaw bahala.
I'm marrying you, like...
Kung saan ka masaya. Hindi naman kailangan kasalan levels. It's just that, like, do you want to, like, I don't
You
know.
guys don't like to flirt?
Ah.
Oh. Wow, santo na lahat. Santo na lahat.
Next. Hindi vague intentions. Anyway, palaging may strong alibi kapag may kasalanan sa'yo.
Ano no?
May strong alibi kapag may kasalanan sa'yo.
That's strong.
May strong alibi.
Ay,
Parang defensive?
Yeah.
Parang ganon? Edi,
yeah, kasi parang
Red flag.
turo-turuan.
kung talagang sobrang defensive, I guess. Kung hindi siya.
Go Marco, explain.
Go, Marco, explain!
Ano na?
Go, Marco, explain. Di pa rin sila
Vivo
nakamove on
was
dun sa
watching.
last question. Hello! Uy, may, Jaylan
What's up,
official.
Jaylan?
But
Ay, patay.
pics are so proud of both of you. Oh, thank you, Team Jaylan. Okay. For last question na. Okay.
Okay, last question
Ayaw
for
mag-share location for privacy.
Okay lang.
Ako, okay lang ako
yan.
dun.
Okay lang yan.
Sandali. Depende kung jowa o hindi.
Ako, ikaw, kahit jowa.
Ano yun ah?
Ako-
Red flag yun ah.
Hindi naman.
Ako hindi naman.
If you trust each other,
Yeah,
then you
dude.
can just ask.
Well, I don't.
You
Really?
don't? Really? So you
Parang
like...
claim mo ah.
Really? Is that from experience?
Yeah, trust issues.
No, I mean, it's just like, if you can't show me, I don't have anything to hide. So I'm like,
I mean, I could
I
just
mean-
if hypothetically, you could just tell the person where you are.
Yeah.
Send a picture or video or something.
okay, you go through what I went through.
Oh!
Oh, shoot! Oh, no! Oh, red flag daw sa iba. At least may, red flag for the others.
Kanya-kanya na experience.
Kanya-kanya
I
talaga eh,
suppose.
pero ako, green flag.
Is that the last question or do we keep going? That's
Ako
last?
na.
Okay, and that concludes.
That concludes!
Nabitin
Ang
ako.
bitin!
I'm sorry.
Questions
okay.
pa! Guys, may questions pa daw kayo.
Okay. Oh, it's Team
Galing
Jada
mo, Jada.
Worldwide. Galing mo, Jada, naka-proud.
Galing,
Thank you so much,
Worldwide.
Team Jada
Galing.
Worldwide. Congrats sa first episode. Thank you, Eden Ruela Ruta. Okay. Send in your questions.
Go. May tanong kanina, I forgot to.
I know.
What was it?
Viva One is watching. Guys, send in your questions.
Sabi ni Shella, ano yung favorite scenes nyo?
Ooh,
Sa
favorite
tinate
scene.
namin. Pero, wag naman daw ispoil lahat. Diba? Tama. I remember
Siguro
that
from
person.
episode 1 na lang, para hindi spoiler.
Pwede rin kahit...
Or kahit hindi. Basta,
Basta...
I mean, they know the book anyway.
that's true.
I mean,
that's
if they
true.
read the book naman, diba?
Sige. Who wants to
Ayan,
start?
yan, ito.
What is your favorite scene na dapat abangan?
But about ang mga... Na medyo di-spoiler. Okay, go.
Sino mo?
Sige, you first.
The drum scene.
The drum scene!
The drum scene, yun ang masasabi ko. Laurie and the drum. That whole episode. Actually,
that whole
shit.
episode. Ano
That whole
episode yun?
episode. Favorite?
Six.
It's
Guys,
Direxian's
abangan nyo.
favorite episode. As
Yeah.
per
As per Direxian.
Direxian. So probably that.
Ako
Ano
din,
pa ba?
ako din.
The one in the theater is nice too.
Which one?
The one, Laurie in her dress.
Yeah.
And by the way, that dress. Yeah, that one.
Eh,
Yeah, that one.
yeah. By
Okay.
the way, that.
How about you?
Ako din, yung drum scene siguro. Episode
Drum.
6. I mean, ang dami nangyari nun eh. I mean, aside from the drum scene. Did it came from the theater ba? Or after the drum scene?
No, mauna si
Theater. Theater.
Oo.
Okay. Basta drum scene kasi
Drum scene.
medyo may action eh. So,
Action star era ni Dylan dyan.
it's cool stuff.
How about you, Marco?
Drum scene.
The drum scene. Kahit wala ka sa drum.
Alam mo ba yung context nun?
No, I'm totally excited to see the action scenes of Dylan.
Yo! That's my G.
Hindi nga! Jinx!
Diga.
I think the theater scene, the auditorium, yun, kung saan nanggaling yun.
Oh, yeah!
Which one?
Because you are there. What? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Ano ba? Lori pasampal, ako pa magsusorry. Grabe ka naman, Sheila. Uy, Project Loki's asking, how is Sian Lim as a director?
Nako, grabe. Sobrang galing, sobrang bait.
Yes.
Sobrang helpful din niya sa amin.
An
lahat
actor's
sa
best friend. For real. Sobrang swerte kami kay Direxian.
Super lucky.
We love him so much.
Direct, you're the best.
He
Thank
takes
you.
care of his actors. I mean, kitang-kita nyo naman sa produkto. He makes us look good. I mean, kung nagustuhan nyo yung palabas kagabi for the pilot episode, that's really thanks to Direxian. And directly, Jake Mariano, our cinematographer. Thank you for the beautiful visuals of Project Loki. But yeah, Direxian, I mean, I'm so grateful that I get to learn from him. I'm sure you guys would say the same.
Si Marco, what's your thoughts of Direxian?
I feel like I really liked how I've seen the actor side of him on set.
Yeah.
Like from the very first day, remember he kind of like tries to guide you, which I was looking forward to that.
Yeah.
But at the same time, he's scared of giving you advice. It feels like he's scared of giving you advices on how to do it because he doesn't want to give his acting piece.
Yeah.
Na parang-
Yes.
He's careful with
He's
that.
careful, oo.
Careful with that.
Kita
Hinahayaan
siya.
kanya lang. Hinahayaan kanya lang. So parang, ang sa akin naman, ang thoughtful naman na parang ayaw niyang i-guide tayo as actors, pero, di ba, parang hinahayaan.
Yeah, he gives us freedom.
Yeah.
He's very considerate of us.
Yeah, consider.
Yeah. Ayun.
Ayun.
Last two questions. Okay. Sige, let's go down. Oh, sorry. I don't know why we're not looking.
Yes, I also do forget names as Dylan.
Anong scene pinakamahirap para sa inyo? Cherry Pearl asks.
Oh,
Pinakamahirap. Marco, ikaw muna. Sige.
Pinakamahirap
Mag-iisip
na
tayo.
nagawa ko. Okay, it's not related to anything acting-wise, but there was like this day that I had with the both of you. And you guys were in the hospital, and then you guys were sitting down, and I already said this. And then, parang nakatutok yung camera sa akin, nasa background, nasa background. And then, parang nag-shake yung legs ko.
Ah, yes. Kasi nag-leg day ka,
Kasi
no?
nag-leg din ako. So I was like, shit.
Nanginginig ka!
Nanginginig ako.
Oh,
So,
yes, I
yun.
remember that.
That was hard. Acting with...
Tsaka ang haba nung eksena na yun.
Ang haba nun.
We did like a 4-hog ata yun. So for people who don't know, 4-hog is like pag apat na scenes na dire-diretso, walang cut halos yun.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Ikaw, Dylan.
Ako, honestly, yung mga Rhea scenes.
Oh, yes.
There were two.
I was there. I watched that one.
Pero,
Galing mo dun.
yeah, the Rhea scenes. Tough.
Ako,
Ikaw.
oh my gosh. Where do I start? Ang hirap sa akin.
Uy, may 1 star na tayo. Thank you so much.
1 star, thank you.
Okay, anyway, sorry.
Siguro yung drum.
The drop.
Drum. I was, just for a bit of context, parang from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., I was screaming and crying the whole time. And I'm not even exaggerating. Like, talagang tuloy-tuloy siya, diba?
Yeah.
Like, I didn't know na kaya ko palang umiyak ng ganun na tuloy-tuloy.
Even after the take. I mean, even after, ano.
Yung rooftop din, actually, from episode 1, that was really difficult for me, like, physically. Tsaka hindi ako makakalas, di ba? Like,
Yeah,
after
yeah.
nung mismo scene with Aaron, when we were about to shoot yung sampal, like, Dylan was, like, trying to calm me down. Because I couldn't, I couldn't stop crying. But yeah, probably that. I would say yung drum, or yung rooftop. But yeah, like, the series in general is pretty challenging. But it's a good challenge. Ayun.
Yun.
Do you have one? Okay na?
Okay.
Alright, guys. And I think that concludes our takeover dito sa
Kapatid
Connect.
Connect.
I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Yung konting chikahan natin. Medyo bitin.
Super
but
bitin.
hopefully we can do this again some other time. And thank you so much. Excuse me. Thank you so much for watching. And sana tutukan nyo ang Project Loki, which is streaming now on Viva One and Signal Play. And soon on TV5. But yes. And of course, once again, this has been Jada, and I play Lorelai Rios.
This is Marco Gallo playing
Marco
Luther
Gallo.
Mendez.
And this is Dylan Minor, and as Loki Mendez.
And you've been watching
Kapatid
Kapatid
Connect!
Kapatid Channel. Kapatid ko.
With the Project
Thank you guys.
Loki
Love you
cast.
guys so much.
Thank you,
Thank you
guys.
to 355,000 viewers. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you guys. And please, stream legally and share with your friends. Spread the word about Project Loki. Grabe. Gusto ko lang sabihin, we've been seeing all your edits. And we love
Uwi
them.
ako sa edits.
Yes. Anong oras na
4
kami
a.m. ako
natulog?
natulog kagabi kasi pinapanood ko yung edits. So, thank you guys so much sa support.
Yes.
Super.
May nagsabi, we love you both, Jalen, and ang aming pambansang third wheel, Marco F.
Sana may mall show. Sana may mall show.
Bakit?
It's not fair.
Manifest.
Yes, manifesting, guys. Thank you guys so much. We love you. Mwah.
Bye guys. Thank you
Bye-bye.
guys. Wait, 2 stars. Thank you. May
Thank
pangkain
you.
na kami. Bye guys. Watch your episode 1 again. Yan.
Yes, tama yan, tama yan.
Very good. I'm baby.
Alright, do we just...
Bye guys.
Ciao, ciao.